Maintaining the correct freezer temperature is essential for preserving food quality and preventing freezer burn. The GE Profile refrigerator includes a digital temperature control system that allows you to quickly adjust the freezer setting from the front control panel. If the freezer is set too warm, frozen foods may begin to soften, while extremely low temperatures can cause excessive frost buildup. By properly adjusting the freezer temperature and allowing the appliance time to stabilize, you can ensure consistent cooling and safe long-term food storage. And try these. Step 1. Locate the temperature control panel on the refrigerator door or inside the fridge section. Step 2. Press the freezer or temp button to access the freezer temperature setting. Step 3. Use the up or down arrows to increase or decrease the freezer temperature. Step 4. Set the freezer to the recommended level, usually around 0 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 18 degrees Celsius for optimal storage. Step 5. Close the door and allow several hours for the freezer to reach the new temperature.